Hello. This is MA Tech Tips. In this video, I will show you how to use Zotero to add citations in Microsoft Office Word. We have some kind of documents and we want to add the citations for the documents. We can use Zotero to easily add or edit the citations. And we can also create such kind of list of bibliographies using Zotero app and can add this Zotero add-in in Microsoft Office Word. So in this video, I will show you how to add papers papers to the list of publications in Zotero and how to cite this list of publications in our Microsoft Office Word and how to add the bibliography and how can we update such kind of fields easily in Microsoft Office Word. The first part is just how to download and install Zotero application. We will start from downloading and installing the Zotero. Go to Chrome. On Chrome, just you can use any of the browser you want. So type www.zotero.com. On www.zotero.com, you can find this page. This is the Zotero page. You can see the download button here with red. You can click on the download. Then we have two options here. The first one is just downloading Zotero for Windows. Second one is Zotero, add the Zotero connector to the Chrome. Since I'm using Chrome, you can add Zotero on the other. This is an extension for the Chrome, the Zotero extension. So we will download this one and also at the same time install the Chrome connector. I will show you how to use the Zotero connector on Chrome later, but now I will add the extension. Now I add the extension and also I go to the download folder, open, I will extract this one and install the Zotero app now. Okay, I'm extracting, then I say okay, next, next, next. Okay, okay. Now let's move to Word and check what happened there. Here you will see some new tab which is called Zotero added to your Word. If you don't see this Zotero added in your Microsoft Office Word, you can go to the Zotero. In Zotero, you can click on Edit, then click on Preferences. In Preferences, click on Cite, then click on the word processor. Then on the word processor, you can reinstall the Microsoft Word add-in. If to add citations, we can add or type the citation by manually. We can insert the citation, or we can use some identifiers to add the citations. So I will show you how to add identifiers. Let's move to Google Scholar, and this is an example one of the paper I found on Google. So here you will see the DOI of the paper. So I will copy the DOI. On Zotero, click here. It says just add items by identifier. Click here and it has a tab and paste the copy that click enter. Now I have the paper and on the right side now for this paper it has this is the outer and here it adds many informations the abstract and the authors, the title, the journal type, or the item type, and the publication, the volume, and itself. It's add this citation for this paper. The second thing is just we can type manually by the paper. So maybe click here the first one, the new item, then select the type of the paper. It's a book or document, a journal article, or just paper type you have. Click on the I will use then type the title here, title one, title of the paper, put the title of the paper here. Then here you should write first name, last name. Then you can add the abstract, the publication, you can add the volume, let's say volume 4, volume 3 issue, the page 1 to 7, let's say, just from, then the date is maybe in 2023 in the day. Then you can even add the DOI, the other information is the URL, the access date, and the other stuff here. Now immediately it adds the paper. So we can add the citation by manually, but it is not fast and it is not accurate, and even it didn't contain the full information. So using the identifier is the best one. It's possible here. It says new collection. We can have some kind of collection. First one, maybe collection on the micro resonators, if we want to add some specific topics. And now in the micro resonators, we can add our citations inside the micro resonators as we had previously. We can add citation is using their identifiers. Then we add some of the papers inside our collections, and even on this collection. Now, for this paper, actually, you will see the PDF icon here at the end, which means just it is a free version. We can access the PDF directly from the Zotero app, which is just the paper is accessible with PDF in free version. So this is how to add the your collections. Even it's possible to add a new collection. Click here and click on new sub collection. Maybe on even for this topic on the micro resonators, we can say maybe introduction, maybe some introduction, the references for the introduction part, or maybe we can add also some new sub collection under this one. Click on the micro resonator, the new sub collection, and we can say maybe for literature reviews. We can organize our literatures in with different topics, with subtopics, and we can easily access the papers that we want. So on the duplicate item, now I add the paper here on the main library, and I also add this one, the citation in the article in the micro resonator. So maybe on click on the duplicate item. Now it selects both of them, and here it says choose the version of the item to use as a master. Okay, I will select this one as master and click on the merge two items now, because it's already merged. Now no duplicate items. Okay, now we see these two different techniques by typing or by using the identifiers. Then the other option is we can use the Chrome extension that we installed previously on the Chrome extension. I have the Chrome extension on the extensions tab. I have the Chrome connector or the Zotero connector, which is an extension for Chrome. So I can use this extension and directly save. Have this paper, the other paper. So then right click here, save to Zotero, and I will save to Zotero. Now it shows me the libraries that I have. I can choose maybe in the library, or I can choose if I have some specific sub collections. You can select also the sub collections. I have only one collection, so it shows me my collection, but I will select my library and I will say done. Now I can see my Zotero page. Here you see now the paper is already added here as the first citation. Okay, when you check the Chrome extension, when you right click the paper, and if you didn't see this save to Chrome, then you should first install this Zotero connector. This is all about how to add papers or the articles in Zotero. We can add the article by manually typing or by using an identifier, the DOI. We can use their DOI, ISBN, or PMID, these identifiers, when we can easily add, or by using the Chrome extension, we can also add. Here I have some text, and that I want to add some citations. I will add the first citation here. To add the citation, click on the Zotero tab, then add or edit citation. On this add or edit citation, first you can select the citation style that you are interested in from these citation styles. So maybe I will choose IEEE. Then on this tab, we see here the at the last it says automatically update citations. If we just check this one, it updates citations automatically when we add the new one. If we didn't, just we can use this refresh button to update citations automatically. We can use this refresh button, or just we can even just check this one, then click on OK. It will automatically update. Then now we have just a placeholder for the citation. Then I will select the citation. You can type the name or the author or the title, or maybe you can use this icon. You can click on the classical view to see the list of papers that you have. I will select the first one to cite for the first place. Then I will click on OK. Now I see the first citation here. Already the first citation is added. Then I will add the bibliography. Click on Zotero in the same way. Then click on add or edit bibliography. Here it will add the bibliography, the first bibliography. Then if I add the second citation, let's say I will add the other citation here maybe. I will click on add citation. Then on add citation, already now I already select the type of citation or citation style. I didn't see that box, so click on directly on the classical view and select the second citation. Now I have the second citation, and this is automatically updated. And if it is not automatically updated, because if you uncheck the automatically update icon that I showed you previously, then you can use easily the refresh button to update it for the whole document. So let's say if I add the other the third citation, let me add the third one. Okay, click on here, classical view, then add the third citation. I can add the third citation. Now it's automatically for the third citation. So if I want to update some of the here, if I want to add some other citations, no, I can click this one, then go to add or edit citation. Now already I have one citation, it's just pop up. So for the second one, the name of the author or the title, you can add second citation. So I can say enter now. Now I add second citation here. The third and fourth citation, they are automatically updated, and this is also the list of bibliography is automatically updated. So this is all about how to use Zotero to add citations in Microsoft Office Word. And this is easy and fast way to add citations in Microsoft Office Word. Thank you very much for listening. So if you like, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification for the new videos like this one. Thank you.